Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you a tutorial on this look right here. And it's the second look using my Colourpop Good Sport palette. If you like tutorials, please go ahead and consider subscribing because I do tutorials along with swatches, hauls, and reviews here on my channel every Saturday. Now, if you missed my initial video using this palette, no worries, I will link it right here for you. And in the first look, I used these plum shades right here. So I centered my look around these colors right here. This shade right here, Rookie, is this beautiful dual chrome. It's just beautiful. So this time around, I decided to work with the green olive shades here. These like lime green olive shades here. And I love the versatility of this palette, how in the first look I was able to do this really warm, mauve-y, reddish type look. And with this look, I'm able to do something completely different, something cooler and green and olive. So I really like that. I really like how the look came out today as well. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look today using the Colourpop Good Sport palette, then keep on watching. As always, everything I use will be listed in the description box below. This is the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm just blending that out with my large Sigma shader brush, and then I'm setting it with the NYX Blame It On Midnight eyeshadow. I like to do this to kind of mute out some of the discoloration on my lid. Now I'm going into the palette and I'm going to take Trophies, this like army forest deep dark matte green, and I'm going to place that into the crease using my Sonia Kashuk blending brush, and I'm going to use small circular motions to blend it out into the crease and the outer V area, and I'm going all the way into the inner corner as well. And this was a very simple look. I only used 3 eyeshadows for the entire look, and I thought they all went very well together. Back into the palette, and I'm taking Hooked and I'm using it wet on a Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow shader brush, and I'm just going to place that all over the lid. I'm going to leave that little 1/3 outer corner, that outer V area alone, because I'm going to smoke that out with that Trophies eyeshadow again. And I just think these shadows are really pretty. I love this like olive green bronze color this shadows got going on. Now I'm going back into Trophies, and I'm just going to build that up again on the outer V and in the crease. Want to make sure you don't lose any of that pigmentation after going in with that lid shade, and once again using the same circular motions with the same brush to blend that out and make sure those 2 shadows blend seamlessly together. Now I'm just taking a makeup wipe to clean up some of the fallout, which surprisingly wasn't very much. And off camera, I used my Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner in the color Boss, which is just a black, to put in my waterline. And now I'm taking Trophies again on this Makeup Geek pencil brush, and I'm putting that on the lower lash line. And now I'm going in with Ebb, and I'm using it wet on the same brush, and that's going to serve as my inner corner highlight. I apologize for not giving you a view of the completed eye look, but this was it. Okay, so my apologies. I didn't realize that my microphone wasn't plugged into the camera, so that's why the audio for the first half of the video is so bad. Yeah, I'm having that kind of a day. Anywho, I paired this eye look with my MAC Chestnut lip liner and my MAC lipstick in the color Styled in Sepia, whatever. It was a limited edition that has been discontinued. And I topped it off with the lip gloss from Colourpop in the shade Neat Freak. So if you have not yet purchased the Colourpop Good Sport palette, you might want to. It's a very, very nice little palette. And you can do like complete opposite looks with it, which is what I hope I showed you today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because I do tutorials, makeup hauls, reviews, and swatches here on my channel every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.